To say the construction of the American Dream Complex in East Rutherford has been a long haul would be a significant understatement, but it's finally done and open for business. This year's Hospitality Entertainment Project Award goes to B.J. McGlone for their contribution to this massive effort. Although their work can be found throughout the complex, there are a number of areas where it's particularly impressive, and the elliptical ceiling above Building C's Main Street is most assuredly one of them.
We started out with erecting a major scaffold, which consisted of a 3-story scaffold system. Then we utilized the Hilti layout system to mark out all our points in our elliptical ceiling. After we had all our layout complete, we then custom bent every piece of track to a specific location. With that ceiling, every panel is specific to its location, so layout was very important.
If the ceiling's elliptical shape was not a big enough challenge, incorporating hundreds of hexagonal GRG panels most certainly was. Each multi-hexagonal panel weighs 80 pounds and needed to be fit into place like a giant jigsaw puzzle, then hung from above by aircraft cable. Diamond-shaped GRG panels were also installed on a number of the area's vertical surfaces by McGlone craftsmen, and once again, layout was absolutely critical. The finished product is just spectacular, bordering on visually overwhelming, and every inch of it was installed and finished to perfection. The closer you look, the more precise the installation appears, from the mechanicals that follow the elliptical shapes within reveals to knife-edge perimeters on drywall soffits. Then consider that the majority of the work was performed 3 stories above the main floor. Impressive. Watching visitors enter the area and instantly look up with mouths agape lets you know that it was a job done right. On a smaller scale, B.J. McGlone was responsible for other unique ceilings throughout the complex.
So one of the ceilings that we installed was a diamond lattice ceiling system, suspended from above using unistrut, threaded rod, custom made just for this project from Massey Ceiling Systems. We utilized the Hilti, the PLT 300, which gave you each suspension point individually, so it made it very easy for us to pinpoint the locations, being that everything's on such a hard angle.
Fully assembled, the diamond lattice structures give the impression of snowflakes suspended from the ceiling, rather appropriate for a facility that, among countless other attractions, includes an indoor ski slope. Diamond pattern GRG ceilings in hallways extending off Main Street were also done by McGlone. Here again, the shape of these suspended ceilings was anything but square and incorporated a number of design elements. Just one misaligned panel would have thrown the entire structure out of whack.
In the food court area on C3, we installed a closed cell GRG ceiling system, suspended off of Rigidex ceiling, wires installed every 2 feet and fastened directly to fire-rated 3/4 plywood. It looks really good. It looks beautiful when you walk by. It's something to be proud of.
I think B.J. McGlone's portion of American Dream came out fantastic. I think it's something that we all can be proud of as a team. I think it was a great collaborative effort of every employee that we have and have had on site, and it's just nice to be able to walk through with your family and see what you've done.